Welcome back everybody. Today I'm going to be making an easy apple crisp. You will need apple pie filling. I have a quart here of my home canned, 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, and 1 stick of butter cut up. I'm going to be using my new food processor Daniel got me for Christmas to make the topping. I'm putting in my flour and sugar and butter. And I'll let this go till the topping kind of comes together a little bit. Still figuring out the food processor. You'll want it like this, sort of crumbly, like cornmeal. In the pie dish, you'll put your apple pie filling. You can use any kind of pie filling with this. Just spread it evenly in your pie dish. Then you'll take your topping and just sprinkle all over the pie filling. Then you'll bake this at 350 for about 30 to 45 minutes until your topping is golden brown. And there you have an easy and delicious apple crisp. I want to thank y'all for watching. I hope you have a blessed day and come back and see us.